You've seen the 5K month thumbnails, but here's what they never tell you. So you're thinking about starting a faceless YouTube channel. You see all these thumbnails popping up in your feed of people making $5,000 a month from AI, from faceless channels. You click on some of these videos and you realize it's actually not that complicated. There's a lot of videos out there saying this is the secret, this is how you do it. But here's the thing they don't tell you. Yeah, you can literally spend 20 minutes creating a video like this. You can go on ChatGPT, type in YouTube video script, generate a bunch of different prompts, pick one that you think is interesting. This one right here is Faceless YouTube video script. You can even specify the length of the video, whether you want it to be a list post, a tutorial, a story. And in just a few minutes, boom, you have a script. Now, obviously, like anything else, you're going to need to edit this, add in your own voice, maybe some extra sound effects, but this cuts out a ton of work, which means you can spend more time on other things. So here's what Faceless YouTube is actually like. It's not passive at first. Yeah, once you get the ball rolling, it's going to take a lot less effort to create each individual video, but it's not passive income. You're going to have to work on your thumbnail, you're going to have to work on your title, you're going to have to work on your edits. But tools don't replace work. They amplify it. So yeah, I'm looking at my phone right now because we created this whole video in under an hour using ChatGPT, CapCut, and ElevenLabs for the voiceover. It is 3 a.m. and I haven't slept. This is what most of my nights look like when I'm working on something new. My room is pretty messy, but you get a glimpse into my workspace. A lot of faceless channels make it seem like all you need is one good idea and then you can just sit back and watch the money roll in. Here's the thing. Even if you do have that one good idea, you're still going to have to show up and put in the work every single day to grow your channel. No face, no mic, still human. A lot of creators are afraid to show their face. They don't want to be recognized in public. They just want to hide behind their computer screen and create faceless content. It takes a lot of courage to show your face online. It takes a lot of courage to start a channel at all. So here's what you need to know. If you're gonna start a channel, build the channel you wish existed when you started. Subscribe if you're building with purpose, not shortcuts. This is Ink by Khan. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Wish you best of luck.